Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I want to show you how you can put YouTube in the dark mode. I'll show you. So if you open the YouTube, and this is the YouTube app. See here, everything appears in the black. So just by enabling the dark theme mode on the YouTube application, you can get this too. To do that, you need to click on top right profile picture. See here, tap on that, and once you tap on that, you will see something like settings. You need to click on settings, and under settings there is called the first option general. You need to click on general, and here the dark theme is enabled. It means I enabled previously. By default this is disabled. So if you see on your app this will be disabled. You need to just check this to get this dark mode. See now, if you observe now, I just turned off that option, so it is everything is appearing in default white color. So I'll again turn it back on. That's it. Now everything appears in the dark. Okay, now if you observe this, you will see the YouTube app, everything in dark mode. So in this way you can apply dark mode for YouTube app right on your mobile. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you like this, please do share it to your other friends so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching.